That's better.
Let's say you got the nut all welded together and you replicated this piece up here. Then go and get yourself some 1/2-inch steel and put it on the base of it. Make sure all you know you're gonna have to have your flats all together. Weld all the way on there to put this vertical part on it, and then you'll have to have something, a plate of some sort with a flange on the very bottom here in order to fasten it, you know, like it is, slide it. Get a piece of steel that's going to slide right in there. That's going to keep yourself from back and forth. This up here is going to keep you from flopping around. So this is already in there, yours.
Right.
So the only thing you're interested in is making that base on here, making the tang, and then getting your weld, the nuts all assembled and welded properly, and then make sure that it's still free on your shaft yet the whole time you're doing it. Okay. And then you should have an operable vise then.
That'd be sweet.
Yeah. Be difficult, will you?
Now, my dad told me never to do that.
Do what?
Slam those two faceplates together.
I didn't slam them. That's not slamming. That's snugging. It's called snugging.
Okay.